Say hi, Sunny. Hey guys, I'm sorry I haven't been filming in like forever, but it's because I just moved and it was kind of stressful, but I do have a apartment tour video for you guys and I hope you guys like it. This is the apartment. Ooh, half bathroom. There's the light. All right. Heck.
Man, I just want to chill in this balcony right now. There's a shade right here too.
And then the closet. Go closet. A chandelier. Then the kitchen, my favorite part.
Yes.
Updated appliances. Dishwasher with a granite. A Moen sink. Hot. The fridge. And this is the laundry room. Oh, that's not the switch. This one is it. Then go upstairs. Oh wait, there's a deck. Ooh, it's nice out. Okay. Wait, need the light. Yay. Huh?
It'll become nice.
I'll be right back, hold on. Bathroom closet. Wait. Bathroom. Oh, we're in the shower curtain. Look how pretty. Don't look at me, I look like a mess. Let me see. That. And first room is kind of small. I'm trying to get a full view. And windows, closet, slide doors, and that master bedroom. Look how big it is. And then it has a big closet, a walk-in closet. Then the bathroom. Right? Keep pressing the wrong. Okay, here we go. Granite. Pretty. There you go. Hey guys, I hope you liked my video and please subscribe if you want. And hope you like my bird Sunny. Oh wait, where he keeps he's hiding. Hey Sunny, say bye. Aw, he's so cute. Cutie. Okay, bye guys.